In this question we have multiplexed PCM. So it doesn't mention whether it's time division multiplexing or frequency division multiplexing, but we need to realize that if it's PCM, it has to be time division multiplexing. So it's digital multiplexing for a digital baseband signal, so it's in the time domain. So we're given that we have 20 signals, and each signal has the same bandwidth of 1 kilohertz. We're told that it's sampled at the Nyquist rate, and the quantizer has 16 levels. And the question is, how wide do the pulses need to be? So the sampling rate is equal to the Nyquist rate, because we're given that in the question, and that's simply 2 times 1 kilohertz. The number of bits per sample is simply log 16 to the base 2, which is 4. So the data rate, R, will simply be N times Fs multiplied by the number of channels. Okay, so let's call that M. M, the number of channels. So it's 4 times 2000 times 20, 160 kilobits per second. So that's your data rate. That's how many bits per second. And they're asking for the pulse width. So that's how many seconds per bit. So what they're looking for, TB, the pulse width, is 1 over R. So it's 1 over 160, which is 6.25 microseconds. So that will be your final answer.